Because of the way that the United States government has chosen to handle immigration cases, not having respect for judicial decisions, it becomes very difficult to counsel these clients.
Attorney Jeremy Eldridge says what's happening flies in the face of due process, saying the U.S. is abandoning rule of law lately, with unpredictable decisions coming down from the federal government impacting people like Kilmar Abrego Garcia.
I'm still fighting for you.
A Maryland husband and father of 3 being held at the notorious Secot prison in his home country of El Salvador. The 29-year-old's March deportation and admitted administrative error. 6 years ago, Abrego Garcia was granted protected legal status called withholding of removal, which allowed him to legally work and live in the U.S. It's a step removed from seeking asylum, which must be sought within a year of entering the country. Abrego Garcia arrived to Maryland in 2011 at 16 years old. His immigration status meant that he could not be deported to his home country of El Salvador for fear of persecution.
That was a legal decision that was made by a court. And so the United States government had no lawful authority to then say, we're not going to respect this decision, and we are instead going to deport him to the one country that he was designated not to be deported to, exactly where he could be harmed.
The Trump administration now claims an accusation of MS-13 involvement led to the deportation. Abrego Garcia denies it. Records show he has never been charged with a crime. Court records show Garcia's wife did petition for a protective order in 2021 that was later dropped. As legal experts explain, that is a civil matter, not a criminal one. The U.S. Supreme Court ordered the Trump administration facilitate his return, but President Trump and El Salvador's president have said he will not be released. In Baltimore, I'm Tommy Clark, WBAL TV 11 News.